Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. My name is Shirley. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I have new videos up. My channel is basically what it sounds like, unboxing a brand. I do a lot of unboxing videos and I also do reviews as well. Whenever I have coupon codes, I make sure to leave it down below so that you guys can use it. Alright, so let's begin. Today we are going to be unboxing a company called Papergang. Actually, their subscription box is called Papergang, but it's actually by a company out in the UK, and they're called Oh Dear, like oh dear, but oh dear, like D-E-E-R. So they offer a monthly subscription service to their stationery. This is from the month of August, and the theme this month is no other than New York City. This is my very first order with them. I saw their ad on Instagram, and I think they were promoting like a 50% off or 25% off discount or something, and I'm a sucker for discounts, so I went ahead and ordered it, and it arrived in the mail about a week and a half later. So it does ship directly from the UK, and here it is. It ships in this really cute box. The shipping label's on the back. The original price for this is £19, so I got, it looks like, I'm looking at my invoice here, it looks like I got 50% off, so my first order was only £9.50, and that included shipping. It looks like the box every month is covered with a different illustration, and I believe they work with different artists every month to come out with the illustrations. And what's cool on the back of this box is that cut out and craft washi tape dispenser. So if you can see that, they have a die line here, and if you cut it out and assemble it, it's a washi tape dispenser. That's pretty cool. I love it when companies reuse their boxes and give it a second life. It's sealed by two pieces of stickers on the side here, and it's coming off a little bit, but I promise you I haven't opened it. I've been eyeing this for weeks, and here we go. Ooh. So this is just a corrugated box on the inside, and let's have a look. Oh my goodness, how Papergang works. Oh my gosh, what is this? Papergang, hi, I'm Drew. I'm the leader of the Papergang. I'm an iron-on patch to make your membership official. Let us know how you're getting on with your goodies using the hashtag Papergang on Instagram. That's so cute, but what am I gonna do with this patch? Like some random person. And on the inside of the box, it shows you how Papergang works. So it says, ping, we think of fun ideas for the coming month's box. We work with illustrators over the globe or our in-house team to design the products. Our illustrative creations are brought to life in stationery form. Yay, a box filled of papery goodness arrives at your door, and repeat each month. So if you do take advantage of their first-time subscriber, you have to make sure to cancel your account. Otherwise, they'll just keep on sending you boxes. I think you can go on the website and skip a month if you like, but if you want to cancel, you have to either email them or you have to call them. So they try to make it a little bit difficult on you for canceling. Some people just like to click a button on their website to say cancel membership, but they want to make it a little bit harder. So you actually have to reach out to somebody to tell them that you want your subscription canceled. Okay, so sorry, I talk too much. Let's take a look at the products. Everything looks like is wrapped in a pink tissue paper, and on the bottom of the box it says hashtag Papergang. Okay, so I don't know how to do this. Maybe I'll do it this way. I feel like there's some stuff here. I do like the way that they pack everything. It's very economical. It comes in a small box and you get all of your items nicely packed. I also did another unboxing video of a different stationery company based in the US, and I'll link it here, but they had such excessive packaging that it was like unnecessary. So, all right, getting back to this company. Whoa! Ooh, look at everything that we've got. I'm gonna start off with the first item. This is a roll of washi tape. I guess that's why they want you to build a washi tape dispenser, and it's all about New York City. I love this. I actually live in the state of New York, if you don't know that already. So this is perfect theme. There's a little cabbie, there's a pretzel, pizza, and NYC, and of course a big apple. That's so cute. The next item is a pin. So this is actually pretty good quality, and it's in a rose gold color, so it's very on trend, and it comes in a backer card, and you can pin it on your jacket, on your bag, you can put it on a bulletin board. So that's exciting, a pretzel pin. Next, oh, I think this is their little pamphlet. Papergang by Oh Dear. It tells you, so this is box number 42, and it tells you everything that you got in here. And it kind of also introduces you to the illustrator of the month. Her name is Jacqueline Colley. And her website, this is what she looks like. And then it also tells you how to make that dispenser for your washi tape. Interesting. If I refer 2 friends, I get a free box. Okay, and ooh, and here are some of their past boxes. You can see they have really cool illustrations and very colorful designs. Okay, next item, Hit the Town. Oh dear, this looks like a letter pressed greeting card, and it's really high quality. Hit the Town is printed in this like neon pink, and also came with plastic-free packaging. That's awesome. There's actually a sticker here that holds together the card with the envelopes, and they don't have to use a plastic sleeve. Each card is proudly printed in the UK, and they use FSC certified paper. Next item, ooh, it looks like we have a monthly calendar. And what's cool about this is that the month is blank and you can just fill out your own calendar. This is cool because my box actually arrived towards the end of August, and I'm unboxing this on the very last day of August. By the time it gets out to you, it's probably mid-September. So that's really cool that they leave it blank and you can fill out your own month whenever you want, and you can tape this onto your computer, or you can maybe even frame it. It's also printed with iconography of New York City all around. Next item we have, oh, what's this? This is an art print. A New York, they should have put New York City. A New York postcard. There's King Kong, what else? Guggenheim, there's Godzilla, spaceship, Statue of Liberty, cocktails, Empire State Building. Awesome. So this is the art print. Next up we have, what's this? Ooh, this is like a sheet of wrapping paper. That's really cool. I don't really know the size. I can measure and let you know, but this is a decent size. That's such a good idea, having wrapping paper. Ooh, exciting. Ooh, and then the last item, it looks like a little planner pad you can put on your desk. Top left, it says my week, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the weekend, notes, and to do. So this is awesome. This is something that students can use. This is something that professionals can use at your office. And it's just like a pad, and you can tear it off, and this will last a really long time. Okay, so I just want to do a quick recap here. We have a A4-ish Deskpad printed with new generation eco toners or vegetable oil-based inks. That's nice. Next up, we have the Giftwrap. 95% of waste generated from this factory is recycled. Awesome. Greeting card is next. Greeting card is printed onto FSC certified stock. Art print, A5 art print. They use A4, A5s outside of the US, and it's a little confusing to us Americans. It's pretty well known around the world they use A4 and A5. We don't do that. We're special. So anywho, this is the A5 art print. Next item is the enamel pin. And last but not least, we have this washi tape. I guess you can count this as an extra item. I really don't know what to do with this little guy. Like, I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll put it on a canvas bag. Oh, actually, we also have, they didn't put this on their list. This is a monthly calendar. I guess maybe this comes with every single edition, so they didn't include it. On here, it says you're supposed to get 6 items. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items and a little free patch. So that's like 8 items. 8 items for £9. That's a pretty good deal, and it came from the UK, and it also included shipping, so that's pretty cool. I might skip next month because this is gonna take me like a year to finish, but they always give you the full spoiler before you place your order, so you can decide whether or not you need the items. I'll leave a link below if you want to check them out. If I have a coupon code, I'll make sure to share it with you guys. Definitely check it out. Like, if you like stationery, I'm very impressed by everything that I got. So yeah, that was unboxing Papergang by Oh Dear. Let me know what you thought of this video and the items that I got. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to check out some of my other videos as well, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!